So today we're back working on the 1968 Buick Skylark. As you can see, we've hit our local tool shop, which was the Harbor Freight, also known as Harbor Freight Tools. We got that steer pulling kit for around $16 to $18. This is my first time using the kit, so here we go. We're going to give it a shot. Screws that it comes with, and it's provided, it comes with a number of sizes and a number of screws. You want to find what you need and what size is going to match the steering wheel accessories you're trying to pull off. Now, one thing I noticed is we have 3 screws, and in the kit it only came with 2 screws. So what we're going to do is we're going to attempt to try this, but the angle might be strong, and if it is, then it might not work. All right, you want to make sure the screws are set up about even. Looks like we're about there. We might even be a little too close. Of course, wanting to get as much bite on the accessories part as possible. This way, in hopes of not stripping the screws once you go to pull it out. All right, so it looks like it's all set up. Like I said, we only have 2 screws, which does, I have some concerns there as far as, you know, what it's going to do when we go to pull this off. Is it going to pull too much to one side, or is it going to make it happen? We're going to find out. But we're using what the kit came with. Boom. So there it is. Matter of seconds. Came right off. It did work. Here's the setup on how that came off. It's just a gear, but it should come off evenly. It's not something that you should beat off or pry off. You should really use the right pieces. Buick Skylark. This is what you're looking at behind the wheel. Threads out front, gears just behind it. Now for the horn, it's going to be right here. Now getting those parts to come together sometimes might take a little manufacturing or a little creativity, because sometimes they don't always just clip together.